To cash flow, let's start from zero. Build it smart, watch it grow. E-commerce ain't just selling online, it's building a system that works over time. No big store, no rent to pay, just one smart move can start your way. Phone in your hand, idea in your mind, find what people want, then take your time. Start real small, learn as you go, that's how online businesses grow. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's testing, learning, never giving up. Buy low, sell smart, that's where you start. Turn a simple product into profit art. Build a system, let it flow from zero to cash flow. Watch it grow, grow, grow. Revenue comes when customers pay, but profit is what you keep at the end of the day. Product cost, shipping, fees in line. Price it wrong and you lose your shine. Better photo, better title, better value makes it vital. Same product, smarter way. Now the customer wants to pay. Don't chase clicks, don't chase hype. Build it clean and price it right. Buy low, sell smart, that's where you start. Turn a simple product into profit art. Build the system, let it flow from zero to cash flow. Watch it grow, grow, grow. One sale proves the model works, then you fix the little quirks. Test the price, improve the page. Step by step, you turn the stage. Bundle it better, ship it right. Sell with value, not just price. E-commerce is a system, not just a sale. Learn the numbers, then you scale. Buy low, sell smart, that's where you start. Turn a simple product into profit art. Build the system, let it flow from zero to cash flow. Watch it grow.